Hello guys. Okay, this is the end product of our drink, our seed drink. I don't know if you people can see it. So if you're lacking magnesium or you want to balance your hormone, do this. Some people do it every day, but I do it every other day. It's quite tasty, especially because of the peanuts added to it. It has a very good taste. Try it, you will love it, and it will balance your hormone. I've been doing this for quite some time and it's helping. Do this and drop a comment on the comment section. Let's see your thoughts on the recipe. See you on my next video. Thanks. Bye guys.